The world is in constant motion. Rivers flow, tides change, the sun rises and falls, time moves forward with or without you. Yet so many of us stay still. We dream, we plan, we wait. We think about doing instead of actually doing. We tell ourselves we'll start when we're ready, when we have more time, more money, more certainty. How many times have you told yourself that next year will be the year that you finally achieve your goals? Next year I'll start that business, take that trip, do something for myself. I'll do it when the time is right. But what if the right time never arrives? What if it doesn't even exist? What if the dreams you've been putting off are slowly slipping away because you're still waiting? We think we're waiting for a better moment, for a time when we feel ready to take the leap. But the truth is, you'll probably never feel ready. Stepping out of your comfort zone will always feel uncomfortable. 5 years ago, I left university with no plan, just the certainty that the life I was supposed to follow wasn't the one that I wanted. I didn't want to follow a path I wasn't passionate about, and I knew that staying still wasn't the answer. So I took a risk. I packed my bags, stepped into the unknown, and gave myself the chance to figure it out along the way. When you take a risk, there's always fear. That voice in your head that tells you to play it safe, stay where it's comfortable. But every time you say to yourself, I'll do it next time, next month, or next year, what you're really saying is no. No to adventure, no to opportunities, no to the version of yourself that exists on the other side of your own self-doubt. If you keep waiting for your life to fall in line, you'll be waiting forever. So why not take that first step now? Start saying yes. Yes to opportunities, yes to adventures, yes to new places, people and things. Say yes to yourself. Mistakes will happen, you'll get it wrong, you'll feel uncomfortable. But every misstep teaches you more than any amount of waiting ever could. It's not usually talent or luck that sets people apart, it's the willingness to take that first step, to stop waiting and start doing, to accept that you won't figure it all out before you start, you'll figure it out because you start. And no one can make that decision to start but you.